15 affordable classic projects, from forgotten survivors to V8 legends. Let's see which one deserves a second chance. Number 1. 1974 Chevrolet Nova, US $2,300, Florence, Alabama. Located in Florence, Alabama, this 1974 Chevrolet Nova is listed for US $2,300. It is powered by a 250 inline-six engine backed by a TH350 automatic transmission with manual steering and manual brakes. The seller also notes several recently replaced parts, including the master cylinder, wheel cylinders, idler arm, and battery, while the previous owner installed a new radiator, water pump, and alternator. The Nova runs, but a fuel delivery issue develops after driving for a while, likely related to the fuel sending unit or pickup sock inside the tank. The seller recommends dropping the fuel tank for repairs before regular driving. Described as an old, rusty project car, it still has working exterior lights and turn signals, making it a straightforward restoration project offered in Florence, Alabama for US $2,300. Number 2. 1980 Chevrolet Malibu, US $3,000, Port Deposit, Maryland. Offered for US $3,000 in Port Deposit, Maryland, this 1980 Chevrolet Malibu comes equipped with a 350 V8, a turbo 350 automatic transmission, and a rebuilt Holley carburetor. According to the seller, the car runs and drives well, the brakes have already been redone, and it carries a clean title. The seller also notes that the Malibu still needs body and interior work, as shown in the listing photos. It is presented as a solid running project with mechanical work already completed in key areas, leaving cosmetic restoration as the next step for its future owner.
Number 3. 1969 Chevrolet Impala Premier Sedan 4D, US $2,800, Grove Spring, Missouri. This 1969 Chevrolet Impala Premier Sedan is available for US $2,800 in Grove Spring, Missouri. It features a 350 V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, a turbo 350 automatic transmission, and recently installed brake booster and master cylinder. The seller states that the car currently runs and drives. Rust is present around the roof, and the vehicle does not currently have a title, although the seller believes one can be obtained through the state. Overall, it appears to be a usable classic that still requires attention while remaining an affordable full-size Chevrolet project. Number 4. 1965 Chevrolet Nova 4D, US $1,000, Neon, Kentucky. Priced at US $1,000 in Neon, Kentucky, this 1965 Chevrolet Nova 4-door is described as a non-running project that had been abandoned for several years before being acquired by the current owner. It is being sold without a title. The seller believes the car still contains worthwhile components and suggests it could serve either as a restoration candidate or a valuable source of parts. With limited information provided, buyers should expect to inspect the vehicle thoroughly before planning its next chapter.
Number 5. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette, US $2,000, Franklin Park, Illinois. Located in Franklin Park, Illinois, this 1977 Chevrolet Corvette is listed for US $2,000. The seller originally intended to restore the car, but no longer has the time or garage space to continue the project. The vehicle comes with a title in hand. The Corvette has been sitting for approximately 3 to 4 years, and no keys are available. Because of that, the seller cannot confirm whether it currently runs. It is presented honestly as an unfinished restoration project with negotiable pricing for buyers willing to bring it back to life. Number 6. 1963 Chevrolet Impala, US $1,200, Holden, Missouri. This 1963 Chevrolet Impala is offered for US $1,200 in Holden, Missouri, east of Kansas City. The seller describes it as being mostly complete and believes it would make either a worthwhile restoration project or a practical donor for parts. Although the vehicle is being sold with only a bill of sale, the factory VIN tag remains attached, and the seller indicates that obtaining a title should not be difficult. At this price point, it represents an affordable starting point for someone interested in an early 60s Impala.
Number 7. 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe, US $1,600, Ontario, New York. Available in Ontario, New York for US $1,600, this 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe is being sold strictly as a parts car or restoration project. It retains its original 350 V8, automatic transmission, rally wheels, and appears to have a good interior based on what the seller can see through the windows. The Corvette has been sitting outdoors for a long time, does not run, and is sold without a title on a bill of sale only. The fiberglass body is reportedly intact, although the bumper covers are missing, and the vehicle will need to be transported on a trailer. Number 8. 1972 Ford Mustang, US $2,500, Clover, South Carolina. Offered for US $2,500 in Clover, South Carolina, this 1972 Ford Mustang Mach 1 is a numbers-matching car equipped with its original 351 Cleveland V8 and FMX automatic transmission. The seller was told it has just over 21,000 original miles and notes that much of the factory glass and original sheet metal remain with the car. Having spent nearly 40 years off the road, the Mustang requires a complete restoration. Previous accident repairs on the right side and rear quarter are noted, along with overall rough condition, but it includes a clean title and remains a largely original Mach 1 project for someone prepared to take on a substantial restoration.
Number 9. 1979 Pontiac Firebird Coupe 2D, US $3,000, Des Moines, Iowa. Located in Des Moines, Iowa, this 1979 Pontiac Firebird Coupe is offered for US $3,000. Although originally a Firebird, the seller says it has been converted into a Trans Am appearance package. The car comes with a clean title and approximately 64,000 miles. The seller states that the project is almost entirely complete and has only minimal rust. The body is currently in bare metal, allowing the condition of the sheet metal to be seen without paint covering potential issues. New upholstery and carpet have already been installed inside the car. Included with the sale are numerous extra parts, including duplicate fenders, tail lights, wheels, and other components. These spare parts could be useful during reassembly or future repairs. Overall, this Firebird appears to be a well-organized restoration project that has already progressed beyond the early stages. At US $3,000 in Des Moines, Iowa, it offers a largely complete package for someone looking to finish a classic Pontiac. Number 10. 1964 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D, US $1,200, Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. This 1964/65 Ford Mustang Coupe is listed for US $1,200 in Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. The seller is offering it strictly as a parts car and notes that it does not come with a title. Power comes from a 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer shows approximately 83,000 miles, and the seller reports that the engine turns over, although no claim is made that the car currently runs. Because of its missing title, the Mustang is best suited for parts use or as the basis for a custom project where local regulations permit. Buyers should plan on transporting the vehicle. At this price, it is presented honestly as a donor vehicle rather than a road-ready classic, making it a practical option for someone restoring another early Mustang.
Number 11. 1969 Ford Galaxy 500, US $1,000, Mansalona, Michigan. Offered for US $1,000 in Mansalona, Michigan, this 1969 Ford Galaxy 500 comes from the seller's late grandfather's collection. The seller admits having limited knowledge about the vehicle's overall condition. According to the listing, the engine starts, but the car currently needs a new battery. The seller also mentions an occasional coolant leak coming from the lower radiator hose. No additional restoration history or mechanical work is described, so buyers should expect to inspect the drivetrain, brakes, fuel system, and body before putting the car back into regular service.
With its affordable price and running engine, this Galaxy presents itself as a straightforward entry-level project that may appeal to buyers comfortable evaluating an older full-size Ford. Number 12. 1955 Mercury Monterey, US dollar $3,000, Country Club Hills, Illinois. Located in Country Club Hills, Illinois, this 1955 Mercury Monterey two-door hardtop is listed for US dollar $3,000. The seller says the car is currently not running and believes it is equipped with a Lincoln Interceptor engine backed by an automatic transmission. The Monterey has been stored indoors for many years, but a broken rear window allowed animals into the interior, resulting in severe damage to both the front and rear seats. Rest is also present in the inner and outer rocker panels, along with additional rest on portions of the roof and other exterior surfaces. Despite those issues, the car retains desirable factory features, including power windows, side skirts, and a Continental kit. An Illinois title from a long-ago estate purchase is included with the vehicle. Overall, this Mercury is best viewed as a complete restoration candidate. It offers an attractive body style and several original features, but buyers should be prepared for substantial interior and body repairs.
Number 13. 1966 Buick Skylark Coupe 2D, $1,200, Monroe, Virginia. This 1966 Buick Skylark Coupe is available for $1,200 in Monroe, Virginia. The seller is offering it primarily as a parts car, although it could also serve as the foundation for a custom build. The car still has its engine and automatic transmission installed. The seller was told the engine previously ran, but has never personally attempted to start it, so its current operating condition remains unknown. There is no title, but a bill of sale will be provided. The seller originally planned to use the body for a race car project before deciding to sell it instead. For buyers seeking Skylark parts or a budget drag car project, this listing provides an inexpensive starting point while honestly acknowledging the unknown mechanical condition. Number 14. 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 Fastback, $3,000, Raleigh, North Carolina. Priced at $3,000 in Raleigh, North Carolina, this 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 two-door Fastback is an original X-Code car, equipped with its factory 352 FE 4-barrel V8 and original transmission. The seller describes it as a very complete restoration project. Original trim, moldings, interior hardware, and a replacement driver's floor pan are included. Minor surface rust is present, along with a rust hole in the driver's floor, while the carburetor has been removed. According to the previous owner, the engine ran before the carburetor was taken off. The seller does not claim it currently runs, but notes that the vehicle comes with a clean title. Overall, this Galaxy offers an increasingly hard-to-find combination of original big block equipment and complete factory components, making it a strong restoration candidate for enthusiasts looking for an authentic FE-powered Ford. Number 15. 1979 Chevrolet K10 Parts or Project, $850, Cortland, New York. Located in Cortland, New York, this 1979 Chevrolet K10 is listed for $850. The seller clearly describes it as a non-running vehicle, intended either for parts or as the basis for a restoration project. Unlike many inexpensive project trucks, this K10 does include a title, which may simplify future ownership or restoration depending on the buyer's plans. No additional mechanical or body details are provided in the listing, so prospective buyers should expect to inspect the truck carefully to determine the extent of work required. At $850, it represents one of the least expensive vehicles in this batch and is realistically presented as a project rather than a finished driver. Thanks for watching. Which of these 15 classics would you take home and restore? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more honest classic car finds every week.